Hey guys, today I'm going to review the Flipslide game. So there's 4 different game modes: multiplayer, challenge your friends. Got this at Target for $20. So I'm gonna open it. The knife. So, oh, wait, does this just, oh, it just comes out. Never mind. Gotta get the tape off. Just open it from the side. I hate this type of packaging because it's impossible to get out. So now, take it out of the box. This is do I really have to get a screwdriver? And then here's the manual. It's just talking about games. But now I got a screwdriver. It's kind of okay. Now I take out that plastic little tab and which is
Click the block to choose a mode. Fly the block to start playing. Speed mode. Ready?
what?
Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Wait, no. This is quite fun. I don't know. I don't know how to play this game. This is actually fun.